Howdy folks, it's Bob here, and today I'm gonna do the it's probably the first decent drive I'm gonna take with my Fury after all the mods to the engine, and we're gonna start it up here and just take it around the block. So I'm gonna got the camera set up and take you with me, and I'll go a little ride here. Come on, baby. It's pretty cold out still here. Started getting a little warmer, but it feels like it's already trying to cool off. I've got the electric choke set for more towards the summertime. I never changed it, so that's why she stalled out. Sounds pretty good though. It's still very cold. So let it sit for a minute. It's a beautiful day today. And, it's just it's kind of deceiving. All the trees are blooming, and you step outside, you can see the wind blowing and stuff around. It's that cold front that blew in behind the rain. And I'll definitely take it over the rain. So we're going to take it for a little drive around the block while we can, while the yard's dry enough for me to get through it. Alright, I think we're ready to go. Let's give her a shot. Somebody coming. Far so good. Clack, but she kind of always does that, so kind of smooths out once it warms up, and hopefully the nope, I still can't win with my camera here. Videoing. I just don't have the correct tripod, and the camera just wants to fall down. Decided to throw it once again, another cold front. All the trees are starting to bloom, and see all the Radford pear trees. See straight ahead there, Radford pears, whole row of them. repave this road, so it was horrible before, and they're getting ready to pave that main road I just turned off of, probably in the next couple of months. Those actually there look like cherry trees blooming. Mechanism inside the column doesn't work really well. Can't quite remember the name of that yellow bush. I thought it was a butterfly bush, but I think it's something else. Thermostat, so it takes a few minutes for the engine to heat up. Again, I smell a little bit of oil. So I dumped it everywhere. When I first did the valve cover gaskets, it was pouring oil out everywhere. So I hope hope it's not doing that again. Put this 5-lane highway in 5 or 6, 7 years ago. It's a fairly new road. It used to be a 2-lane road, and believe it or not, the speed limit's 45, and the speed limit off the old road that we live off of is 50. It's a 2-lane road. This is a 5 to 6-lane road, so go figure. It's done for the past, I don't know, 4 years. It goes away a little bit once it heats up. It doesn't skip or doesn't affect it all the way it runs, so I'm pretty happy with the results, and that's pretty much the way I'm going to have to drive it, because that's the extent of severity of repairs I'm going to be able to make there on the edge of the woods. Needs anything further deep down, it's just going to have to wait until it gets to the point where it sounds like it's going to come through the side of the block, or it starts affecting the way it runs, which as of now, neither of that's the case. Beer and wine, anyone? May just need to adjust the roller rockers, I'm not sure. And all those components were brand new, and I was just waiting for them to break in. So I may rods and the rocker arms and the ball and socket, once they all wear together, you're gonna lose a little bit of your tolerances. Tolerances are gonna get larger. Plymouth Power 383. Ride's pretty good. Ride's nice. Can't complain. Could be the push rods hitting the heads as well. You never know. But those 3/8 push rods come real close to the heads when you put roller rockers on these engines. And I clearanced the head a little bit. And I shimmed it. I shimmed the rockers a little bit. Try and keep them away from the intake runners. The push rods coming through. I shimmed them best I could. And I'm just going to have to wait until everything breaks in. I'm not going to get too nervous about the noise right away. I got to have to wait. Because it runs fantastic. So that's pretty much all I can ask for at this point in time. Need to check the oil, which is hard to do around here because it's hard to find a flat spot on the back it in, but I'm gonna try and get it somewhere flat where I can check the oil, which would be maybe, I don't want this. Okay, so it's stopped rolling, so I have to assume it's somewhere flat right there. Yeah, so yep, runs pretty good. Runs real good. Still got the tapping noise, but that may just be an adjustment. Maybe something more serious, but maybe one of the push rods kind of slapping the head. But I'm not even going to mess with it. I'm just going to keep driving it, and then maybe after a couple months, I get a couple 100 miles on it, I'll take it apart and make sure everything's good on it. Otherwise, this is the way I'm driving it. So hopefully enjoyed the project, and hopefully enjoyed this drive along. And if you end up watching this video, thanks for watching. Hopefully you'll like and subscribe. I haven't been putting out that many videos. I'm going to try and put out more, but we'll see what happens. So even all that driving, I've only got my temperature gauge is only at maybe 130, so the engine's running real cool. But I put a little bit hotter plug in it because I have a 160 thermostat, and it just runs fantastic. So looks like my camera fell down a little bit. Let's grab it here. One of these days I'm going to fix that door. See anything, but I do see a little bit of fluid in there, so I wonder if I wonder if this valve cover started leaking. It does look a little wet down underneath there, so gonna have to take a look at that. Hopefully it's nothing serious, and maybe it just needs to be tightened up a bit, because the gaskets did seat in, and I didn't put much pressure on them because I didn't want them to distort, but maybe they're not quite tight enough now that it's been run. So I'll get the wrench, 7/16 ratchet, and I'll put a little tighten on those, and should take care of that. Otherwise, everything else looks good. So signing off here, folks. I'm going to check the oil, and that's pretty much it. Check those bolts, and then I'm going to put it back in its parking spot over there where I've been working on it in the woods. So have a great one, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Get some knowledge out of this, and like I said, like and subscribe, and put me any comments in the comment section if you got anything to add, or any tips and tricks, or any expertise you can add to this. That would be great. Thanks.